Right, welcome to this week's episode. Now, if you was watching on the episode previously, Adam was doing you were doing the
steering rack,
doing
track
the steering
rod ends
rack
on the
thing,
steering
and you
rack.
had all those.
Yeah,
I called them gators, didn't I? But you were calling them boots.
Well, yeah, either or, doesn't matter. Oh, see, it all depends what you've been told when you've
Tomato.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Aluminium.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, boots, skaters, same thing.
But you want to revisit it?
Yeah,
because there's something you want to show. You missed out a bit.
Mini, their outer track rod ends. It's a clever design. So get the camera and we're going around and have a look.
So you want to be around that side of the
yes.
car?
Come on.
All right. You following me?
No, I'm following you.
Walk this way.
Oh. Hello, everybody.
Oh, you got that in then.
Yeah, got that in.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't get a chance, did I? It's like being married, isn't it?
I know. Sometimes I don't really get a word in edgeways, do I?
No. Right then. So, yes, steering
rack. You're back on that because
back on it because
you forgot something or you didn't or you wanted.
No, I wanted to point something out and explain something because when we did the last episode, all of a sudden it jumped to the other side of the steering rack, didn't it? We were going to do one particular end, but
no one noticed that until you've just pointed it out.
No, we did that because the end was cut off when I took it off the car. I cut it off. So
I just come up here and look at it.
Oh, there's oil all over there.
Yeah, that was
because it was on that end that we were going to do.
That was when you were taking it off down here.
I couldn't get it off. Couldn't get it off the ball joint, so I cut it off. But because I wanted to show. Putting the new one on, the basic turns to get it the same as it was, sort of thing, So hence that's why we done that end, and then we showed you on the end that had got the full track rod end on it. But they've got a very clever system on the old Minis, on the track rod ends on them. Because on the standard ones, you just get the track rod end and then you get the lock nut, and that's it. But on the Minis,
do you need me to come in?
Yes, you come in. Look, they've got
what are you talking about?
Look, they've got like see, I thought of the word the other day because we've had a bit of issues with the filming, haven't we? So which we're going to explain later. Yeah, there's a lock nut on it there, but it's got like a. I thought of it all yesterday.
It's like a collar.
Yeah, that's the word. Yeah, it's like a collar, and it's got like a flipping it. What's the matter with me? Anyway, so when you do the lock nut up onto it, it actually tightens up onto that track rod end. So it locks it in even tighter.
But
so
that's not like that on the new one.
No, the new one's not anywhere near that. So it's more likely that the new one's going to come loose than what the OEM ones are. So I can tell why they're more expensive than them.
Will it?
No, I don't think it will.
Because you've kind of done your 22 twists.
If you get them up tight enough, the loadings are on it.
Basically what it does is that bolt then pushes against it to push the threads together.
The loadings are right on it anyway for it not to come off. It's like the inner.
Again.
No, I was answering you. I did say yes. Just listen. Fucking hell. But the inner track rod ends are like we were saying about the red Loctite on it, the thread lock on it. I'm not sure you even have to put that on it as long as it's FT, because the loadings are going to be in one, and then it's not going to be vibrated off, is it? The loadings are going to be in. Do you see what I mean? Be in a constant.
If you put I don't know what I'm talking about again, but if you put that Loctite,
yes,
Loctite.
Yeah, well, it is Loctite. It's made by Loctite. Yes,
right.
Thread lock. Yes, red.
Can you
red lock.
get them off afterwards if you need to replace them?
It's a bit of it's just a bit more grunt to get them off
rather than just
It just stops them coming loose really. But I don't think they will anyway. So yes, anyway, explain that all right?
Yes.
Now.
Yeah, but you've now replaced. You don't like those no, I don't Fast like and Furious,
fast and slow and angry,
blue rubber. you don't like that.
So I've got the OEM ones.
Well, let's have a look.
I mean, they're a harder plastic, but when I've thought about it, I thought, well, it's been on there 56,000 miles and they ain't cracked or broken, so why not use the original ones the OEM ones anyway?
Part.
Well, it's OEM, it's made by Mini, I mean, they're more expensive than them. I mean, these were a tenner and these were like 26 quid.
Each?
Yeah.
Two of them,
yeah. And then they've got obviously the metal crimper doodahs.
Right.
Yeah, so I'm still going to, because I still think they're going to split. I honestly think, I'm worried to death they're going to split. But I think I might pack some more grease around the old inner trailing arm as well when we do finish it, just to just a belt and braces really.
But you've cleaned up the steering rack anyway.
I've cleaned up the steering rack. It come up lovely, didn't it?
Haven't you?
Look,
You've cleaned it all up, look, because you wouldn't recognise it, would you?
Come up lovely. That was black before, and that was somewhere near. But then this bit, you see, it's been zinc plated, and the zinc plate has gone rusty. So I'll rub that down with a Scotch Brite, and then I'll probably paint it with black hammerite.
Mind you, though, there's a bit missing, isn't there? Because I know it looks clean, so it looks different, but the last time I saw it on a bench,
the pipe work?
It had
oh yes,
like a silver metal plate on it.
No, you're right. No, you're right.
A silver metal plate.
Yeah,
Did it have
right,
two?
look.
One either side of the...
No, just one. Just on the top of it.
Oh.
See, look, before. And I've just cleaned that up a little bit tonight.
Oh.
This afternoon, and that's come up lovely, hasn't it?
Right.
Don't you see?
Yeah. Once you've cleaned it up properly, it will look lovely.
And then I'll use the parts washer as well.
Oh.
Yeah, because of the brackets that go on the hydraulic pump, which I've also cleaned up. Look, I cut the pipe work down and then put it back on, so then we didn't have to seal it all up. And I put some tape around that with it, and I've cleaned all that up, and that's come up lovely. And obviously
that almost looks like new.
Yeah, it does, yeah, and that bracket's got to be. Mind you, I think it's had a lot of new stuff on it. To be fair, it's been looked after the car. Whoever had it before. One careful owner, and now I've got it.
One lady owner.
Yeah.
Sure, you went down to the co-op, didn't you? Get a tin of salmon.
Yeah, she did. Anyway, so I put the brackets in the parts washer.
Yeah, in the parts washer.
Of course, it's showing up all the rust and everything. Got all the grease and grime and crap off of it. It's bloody lovely. It works a treat. So I've just got to, I'll probably sandblast that because it's got quite a bit of rust on it. Sandblast it and then treat it with rust killer. I've got some special rust killer somewhere. I bought ages ago, and I found it when I was clearing some stuff out. Funny enough, is it up there? Yeah, there it is up there. Look, that one up there. Look.
What, the yellow one?
In the blue thingamajig.
Oh, right.
Two blue ones.
Right.
Yeah. So I use that, and then tie that all up. And yeah, then the rack can go out to go. And I've got a poly bush as well for the you know where it goes clamps onto the onto the frame underneath, and then they'll be cleaned up and done.
So
that's it really.
So within the next few weeks then that'll all be sorted out.
Yeah.
That will get bolted onto the subframe.
Yeah, and then we can start putting that all back together then.
And then that can
I've got all new pipe work that goes to the steering rack. So that's all going to be changed. I was hoping that was going to be here so we could show you that, but I've just, instead of cleaning it all up and doing it, I've just bought new. I mean, it was like 40 quid, so. And these haven't been painted because I had some trouble with the I changed my mind about the body seal around it because it wasn't looking like factory, and they want it doesn't matter about the inside of the car. They're happy you to take it off the inside of the car, but the outside of the car, they want the factory underseal on it. So I've just balmed it on and made it look like it's been put on with a brush, and so it's done at factory. So when we come back again, this should be painted and we should be able to start putting all stuff back together.
Right. So, we'll be getting back into the putting on rather than the taking off process.
Yeah. So hopefully it's and
everything's ready for everything's ready for the back end, isn't it?
It is.
We've got all
apart from the bolts, which I'm going to do.
Yeah.
But I'm going to make a separate set. I'm going to do that at home probably and just film that, and then you can just, because it'd be good for you because we've promised to do it for ages and we just haven't.
Yeah, we'll do it as a separate thing, and then that can start getting built back on.
Yeah. So you went out yesterday, though, didn't you?
I did go out yesterday.
Yeah.
I did go out yesterday.
Out in the sun.
But now.
Yeah, and you had it moan at me because I stood watching the telly, watching the touring cars on the telly, but the Minis were good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last race was good actually.
I looked after you though, because I did come back.
You did. You brought me some strawberries, didn't you?
Yeah.
And they were lovely.
Yeah. They were nice.
I've had some already.
Yeah, not those. Over-processed synthetic greenhouse things. These are proper ones.
No taste. These are
proper ones
taste.
From Trulan's Farm in Tiptree.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. Give me a little mention now.
So
we'll have to put a PP in the corner now for product placement, won't we? But no.
So I think that's about it. It's going to be a short one because we've had some trouble, haven't we? Which we'll explain when we're both standing it together. Michael
Jock. Yeah, he brought his BMW up, didn't he? His BMW. Now, which model was it?
I can't remember.
You can't remember.
It's bloody quick.
Right.
We call it the
Well, he brought it up, and we went outside and we filmed it, and something happened with the sound files
and the cameras. The camera.
So forget that. We're going to get him back, and we'll film it in a future episode.
Yeah.
We'll do it again. But right now, that's it for this week.
I think so. Yeah.
So we might as well say the goodbye bit.
Yeah, it's a short one, isn't it? But
yeah, right.
It's what happens.
Right, so thanks for watching this week's episode. A little bit of a shorter one because it was more
thanks
kind of
everybody.
Talking about what we're going to be doing rather than a building one.
Yeah, but
and we lost a bit of footage.
We lost the footage and sound
from the BMD.
Yeah, we had quite a bit really. We had a good 18 minutes, didn't we?
But never mind, just a bit of
a
shorter this time.
Yeah.
Now, there might be one the week after this. There might not be because we've just got a little bit of a summer break. But we'll see how things go. See if we can put something together.
We've got some things to sort out, haven't we? Hopefully, and there might be some news after that. So
yeah, things to juggle about a bit and then a bit of news. So we might miss one, but we don't know. You never know. But we'll let you know anyway. So let's cut to the last bit now. So over here, you've got your playlist to go to. Over here,
last episode,
and in the middle, you've got your straight through to the channel on YouTube. So thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.